So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel The Tech Viper. So today in this video we will see how to create spinning carousel animation in Figma. But before that I want to say you something. I want a favor from you guys. Really, I want a favor from you guys. The favor is that I have seen about 95.6% viewers were watching my video but they were not subscribing me. So I want you guys to please do subscribe me because I want you guys to support me up. I am very new to this content creation, and if you are loving my videos, if you are loving my content, and if you want more such content, please do subscribe me, support me, because once you start supporting me, I will get motivated to create much more contents in such manner and in a very promising manner. So I hope from now onwards you guys will subscribe me if you are loving my contents, and so finger crossed. I hope you guys will keep my words now. So without wasting time, let's see how to create this. So here you can see we are inside the Figma project now. So first of all we will drop our assets. So we have dropped our assets, and no need to worry, you will get everything in the description below. So once we have dropped our asset, you can see our grid view is on. If it's not on, you can just go over here and you can turn it on. So our grid view is on, and it will be directly in the project. So no need to worry, no need to implement it by yourself. As I am mainly focusing on our spinning carousel part, so we are starting with this one. So now what we will do, first of all, let's press O on our keyboard and we will create a circle like this by holding shift. Just maintain the grid like that. Something like this, perfect. And by clicking F on our keyboard, we will create a frame something like this. Something of, let's take it as 256 and 480, and let's give it a radius of 90. Perfect. Now let's select this one, and let's select this one by holding shift. We will select both, and we will go over here in the actions. We will go to plugins and widgets over here, and we will search two part. I already have it. You can search for it. If you don't have, just click on it. Now let's click on it, link. Yes, let's increase it to 7. Perfect. Now let's select all those by holding shift, all the frames. I'm not selecting the ellipse, I'm selecting all the frames, and clicking right click on it, I will go to plugins again, and I will select unsplash now. I will select from presets abstract, and you can see over here images got loaded perfectly, right? Don't delete this one, and it is linked over here, just keep it aside. Now let's select this one, and let's bring it a little bit downward. Keep it center aligned always, just check it by clicking this one. Now from here I will drag the ruler like this, and if you don't have this, just go over here. You can just search over here, show ruler, and turn it on. Now by selecting this one, by holding shift, just match with the ruler like that. Let's bring a little bit downward. Perfect. Something like this. Now let's change this color to something. This color. Now let's duplicate this one. And turn the opacity of the circle, or turn the opacity of the circle to 0. Same for this one, turn the opacity of the circle to 0. Now we will select this one, and by holding shift again, we will rotate it. Again match with the ruler. Yeah, it's perfect. Turn its color now again, somewhat bluish, this color. Perfect. Now let's duplicate this one again. We will do the same thing. Select this one, and you can see one thing. Always use a gap of 1. Like if this is the image now, you will see over here. If I rotate it, I skip this one. I'm skipping this one out. So always skip 1. Perfect. Let's change this color to something greenish. Let's duplicate this one again, and we will do the same thing. First we will hold the shift and bring it like that, and then without holding the shift we will just align it perfectly. That's it. Perfect. Now we need a text over here, so like T in our keyboard, and we will write something, take a spin, in caps. Now by pressing K on our keyboard, we will increase its size. Take it backward, and we will turn its color to white. Perfect. We will select this one and paste in every. Just by pressing left square bracket, just take it below, and we paste it over here. Now here. So this part is done. Now we will duplicate this one by holding Option. By selecting this one, by pressing K on our keyboard again. And now by holding Shift and Option, decrease the size a bit. And now by holding Option, take it upward. And now by holding Space, take it outside. Now let's go to Design section by pressing V again. And let's turn its opacity to 0. Perfect. So now what we will do, we'll select this one, bring it over here like this. Place it like this. Now we will select this one. As you can see, it's in the top. This one should be in the top always, because after this we will have this screen. So this one should be at the top always. So what we will do, by right bracket, square bracket, we can bring it top. So it came to top. Now same way, bring it over here. And we will do the same thing for all the frames. Now we have this one, bring it over here, turn it, put it inside if it's outside the frame, and take the first one in top always. Now try to align it the way you want. It totally depends upon you how you want to align it. Now we'll select this one. Rotate it. Again you can see it's outside the frame. Just drag and drop it inside. Not at the first top, just. Now we have this one. Before it, this one. Just take it upward. Now rotate it in this manner. Take it inside. And drag and drop it inside. And the last one. Rotate it again. Let's take it something like that, and let's drag and drop it over here. Perfect. Now we need a text over here, so just click on a keyboard and let's spin. And now we want to bring it upward, and you can just play with the square brackets to bring it front or back. Now let's press K on our keyboard. V, and let's change it to regular now. Again let's go to K, and I need in a perfect manner. Perfect. And now here we need a button. So we will select this one, and by holding Option we will drag and drop it over here. We'll change the text. Name is Spin It. Perfect. Now from all, now let's select this text. Let's spin, copy it, and paste it on this one. And in the center. Now by pressing K on our keyboard and by holding Shift and Option, decrease the size a bit, and by holding shift now bring it downward and turn its opacity to 0 by pressing 0 2 times. Done. Now let's prototype it. Let's select this button and connect it over here. Change it to Smart Animate with this setting. Now we will select this frame and connect it to this one. Select on drag, Smart Animate, and it will be custom Bezier. Make it something like this. Same for this one, this to this one. With the same setting, and same from this to this one, the same setting. And now if we prototype it, you can see we got this one. Now if you click on this one, something like this is coming. So I hope you like this video. So if you like this video, as I told earlier, you guys need to subscribe, share with your friends and everyone who wants to learn UI UX. And very soon I will be coming up with UI UX course. So I hope you guys will love it. And till then, take care, keep supporting me. I will see you in the next video.